Well, we're on our first night crossing together, me and Ylva. We left the Whitsundays today. Had an awesome day up at the waterfall, beautiful time. Pretty good sail so far. We're doing 6 knots. Got the whole head sail out and just a bit of, got it poled out to the side. Tiny little bit of swell, not much. Got the main, just a first reef in. But yeah, Ylva's just gone for a sleep. We're going to be three hours on, 3 hours off all night. I'll have some dinner soon, and yeah, Ylva will come back on at around 10 and then cruise on through. The wind's supposed to stay like this all night, so it should be mellow. About 2 o'clock in the morning now. We're just passing Abbott Point, which is over behind me there. Busiest coal port in Australia, on the east coast anyway. And we're just passing real close to a massive coal ship, just sailing by in the night. Hasn't been a lot of wind, so we've been rolling a little bit, and we just had a shackle break on the boom, on the main boom, so the boom was rolling around freely for a little minute until I could figure it out. But got that under control.
Hello, first night sail. It's 5:47. I'm getting light slowly. And the beginning of my shift I was watching stars. Saw a few shooting stars. It's been nice. Not too much rolling going on. Good wind. We've only got the head sail up, and yeah, it's been working good.
It's at 9 AM. We're just about 2 hours away from our anchor spot. I just caught this fish. Spotted mackerel, so I cut the head off right away and let the blood out. It's not massive, but it's enough food for a couple of days for us. Good start to the day. Coconut hunt.
Boat hook, little saw, duct tape, coconuts. Whoa! Nearly. Coconuts!
We left Magnetic Island at about midnight last night and arrived at this place called Orpheus Island. But I hiked up here to the top of the hill. It's about, I don't know, an hour hike, no track. This is a deserted island here. But so I had to bushwhack, saw a couple of snakes, but all good. And it didn't seem that cool on the way up, but it's pretty awesome when I got here. Look at this. Standing on a cliff edge. It's the Pacific Ocean. That's where I'll be heading in about 3 weeks. And then tomorrow we're heading over that way to Hinchenbrook Channel. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing?
We're sneaking up these mangrove riverways, and we're on our way to a boardwalk which will take us to the other side of Hinchenbrook Island, to the ocean.
It's pretty early, it's only about 7 o'clock in the morning. We had to come in here with full tide because it's real shallow. So I'm going to throw This little guy up in the sky and have an overview.
We hope this is the right way. We don't know.
Come to the end of the road. We're at the very end of the road, literally. This is Black Sand Beach. We just walked around over the hill. It's much more sheltered here. It was pretty windy on the main beach. Check this place out.